Let's get things over to First Alert Chief Meteorologist Dave Aguilera. Dave, we've got some big wind coming our way.
We do indeed, and I have a little good news and a whole lot of bad news in the wind department. The good news is the wind that we had kind of gust earlier in the city, that has died down. We've only got like a 12-mile-per-hour gust at Central Park going on. And if you look at the wider map, though, in the foothills and the northern mountains, we are seeing gusts start to kick up from Laramie, Estes Park, all the way down to Salida here. And that's the prime area. That's where the target is going to be for the big winds. We still have winds up over 50 miles per hour up at Berthoud Pass, but the main energy has not come in yet, and that will happen as we go through the night tonight. So here's the wind forecast. Concentrate on the foothills out here. This is at 2 a.m. already. We could see gusts around 69 mile per hour to nearly 70. Red Feathered Lakes, Nederland, Idaho Springs might be up to 43, and just kind of breezy in town. Then we get into the morning tomorrow at 8 a.m. We are close to 90 mile per hour gusts in Nederland, 87 there. 72 at Red Feathered Lakes, 80 in Black Hawk, and still just kind of gusty in the city. I think that's going to be the trend throughout the day, but from time to time, you could see some 90s pop in there. So in the afternoon, we could have up to 90 mile per hour for our front range foothills all the way up to the Continental Divide. And for us, maybe a few gusts in the afternoon that might get up to maybe 30, 35 miles per hour. So here's the high wind warning area in the bright yellow shaded area, Park County all the way up into southern Wyoming, 35 to 50 mile per hour sustained winds, and then pushes from time to time to 80 to 90 mile per hour in the more wind-prone areas. Also, a high wind watch from sections of eastern Jefferson County, Boulder County, Larimer County into Weld County. 6 a.m. tomorrow till midnight tomorrow, 25 to 35 mile per hour sustained winds, but some of the gusts could go up to 75. Hurricane strength is 74 and above, so we will have some problems along Highway 93. All of the highways up into the foothills, even I-70 leading up to the Eisenhower Tunnel, could be kind of rough if you're a high-profile vehicle. Add into that, we got a little bit of moisture coming in, so increasing high clouds around here. Here's where the jet stream is, and there's some moisture here that may bring in some snow with it as well. The jet max, the strongest part of the jet stream, is what's causing this. Now, we're not going to tap into that, but up at altitude, 30,000 feet, that red shaded area, 200 mile per hour and above are what the winds are going with. So just the bottom end of that is just dripping into Colorado tomorrow morning. It will weaken up somewhat on Tuesday, but it kind of stays in the northern Rockies here. So Wednesday into Thursday could be kind of windy for us as well. Much more wind up in Montana into the Dakotas. As far as cloud cover here goes tomorrow, partly cloudy skies, but at the end of the day, into the evening, we could have a few inches of snow in some of our northern mountains from the push of moisture coming in. Lows tonight, cold for everybody, 30s and 20s down low. Highs tomorrow, 50s and 60s here in the east, and you can see how it's warming up into the east. It's a northwesterly downsloping wind, so that's going to kick up our temperatures. 62 in Commerce City, 57 in Morrison, and if you're in Littleton, Cherry Knolls, Inglewood Village, or back to Cherry Hills, you'll be close to 60. We'll stay in that territory all the way through Thursday. Friday into the weekend, though, 50s and mostly sunny skies on the way.
All right, looks great, Dave. Thank you. We'll get through it.